In front of me is an Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Safety and Emergency section available here. Now tap on Emergency Contacts, choose Add, and click on a contact you wanna add. Then, after adding each one, you need to decide if you want to notify this contact that it became your emergency one by hitting OK. Or cancel, obviously. Now, tap on Add Contact to do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. And to manage your contact list, use this icon at the top right corner. Then you can move them around by holding one you want to move and dragging it. And you can also remove any of those from your emergency contact list by clicking on this X next to the chosen one and hitting remove. Now, wherever you decided, go back and check out if it worked by locking your screen. Then unlock it. Then swipe up, and instead of unlocking it, hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Choose Emergency Information, tap on Emergency Contacts, and check out if yours are here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!